Today, we're tackling a topic that almost everyone has faced at some point: sore throats. A sore throat can be described as an uncomfortable, painful, or scratchy sensation in your throat. It's incredibly common, with over 30 million visits to doctors every year. Throat pain can result from viral and bacterial infections, allergies, dry air, or even outdoor pollution. Most sore throats are caused by viruses, which don't respond to antibiotics. That's why it's crucial to know whether it's viral, bacterial, or something else. Sore throats caused by bacterial infections are called strep throat, specifically from the group A Streptococcus bacteria. The symptoms of viral and bacterial sore throats can be slightly different. Viral sore throats tend to develop gradually, accompanied by a cough, runny nose, or hoarseness. On the other hand, bacterial strep throat might include a fever over 100.1 degrees Fahrenheit, swollen tonsils, and swollen lymph nodes. Inspect your tonsil area to determine if it's a bacterial infection. Strep throat often presents with very red, swollen tonsils and occasional white patches, as shown here. Now, let's explore some home remedies. Gargling with salt water. Drinking turmeric milk. Using lozenges and consuming honey can all help soothe a sore throat. For viral sore throats, you can use NSAIDs like ibuprofen or naproxen to reduce inflammation and alleviate discomfort. Staying hydrated is important for throat lubrication. Drinking water, tea, or soup can help. Additionally, try steam inhalation or a humidifier to maintain moisture in the air. Boost your immune system with lemon water, a great source of vitamin C and antioxidants. If you have bacterial strep throat, antibiotics like penicillin or amoxicillin might be prescribed. Remember that antibiotics only work for bacterial infections. However, always consult your doctor before taking any medication and never stop your antibiotic course prematurely. There you have it. We hope this video has been helpful. Share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.